it would take a while to start. This is visible, the stand. Okay, so here is the geometry paper. Comparatively bit difficult than what we had seen in algebra. So to start with the solution, the first one is option B, 3, 4 and 5. The second one is inscribed angle theorem, 130. B, sure. So it's angle ACB. So inscribed angle with center O. If ABC is 65 degree, what is the measurement of AXB? I think this question is a wrong question. Nowhere they have mentioned XB, but nowhere they have mentioned X, right? तो ये X पीछे आएगा या आगे आएगा? If this X is here, so we would take it as 130 obviously, but X behind होता, by default तो X आगे ही आना चाहिए. Nowhere they have mentioned about X. Okay, but Phil, I think this is a wrong question, I guess. Even though like there need to be a correct explanation for it, I guess. Okay, in this one, which was being orally discussed in the class, was the square of 3 and the square of 4. You need to add them and find its square root. So option C is the answer. Again a Pythagoras theorem ka concept. The answer is 13. So in this one, what are we supposed to do is you write area of, okay, let me solve it. No I have. So it goes like, keep a hold here, be careful. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC, that will be equal to BD upon BC. You can write common height, it's fine. Therefore area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC equals to 7 by 20. This is your answer. And the next one, while one of our students here was doing this sum, I was behind. So this will be geometric mean Qn square equals to MQ into QP. Many of them have taken plus here. So it's 4 9s are 36. Qn equals to under root 36. Qn equals to 6 centimeter or 6 unit. Then the next one, so they are asking me about tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Here it is cyclic quadrilateral. So in cyclic quadrilateral is one of the opposite A, B, C and D. If this is 100, by default angle A plus angle C is equals to 180. If A is 100 plus C is equal to 180, angle C will be 80 degree. Next is this one. So this is again to find the area of a sector. The formula is area of a sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90. It will be 13.4 multiplied by 10 square, that is 100. It will throw out the point, it will become 314. After cancellation you will get answer as 78.5 square centimeter. Then the next one we had discussed yesterday only, internal intersection of chord, where the first box is going to be RD. This is going to be 8, which is MD ka value, and then this 15 forza becomes 60 by 8 is 7.5 units. Hi everyone. Okay, so tan theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is being given to me as AB, hypotenuse is BC. Tan 30 is root 3. So this will be 10 multiplied by 1.3, it will send 0.1 digit ahead, 17.3, so it is 17.3 meters. In this one you are supposed to use a BPT theorem. I'll show you how exactly this particular sum is to be solved. So you need to write in triangle ABC DE parallel BC given AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC by BPT theorem. So AD is been given me as 1.8, this is 5.4, I need to find AE, and this is 7.2. 7.2 goes there and multiplies with 1.8. 1.8 multiplied by 7.2 into 5.4 is equal to AE. So I'll multiply it with 10. AE will become 18. For 18 I'll send the 0 out. 54 1s are 3s are 3 1s are 2.4. So AE equals to 2.4 units. This is my answer. So in the next one, which is again a 30 60 90 triangle, angle R equals to 60 degree by remaining angles. Therefore triangle PRS is a 30 degree 60 degree 90 degree triangle. So since they have already given me hypotenuse, side opposite 30 degree equals to half into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 12 6, side opposite to 60 degree, root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse, root 3 upon 2 into 12 6 root 3 centimeter or units. I do not want my students to waste more time in watching solution, so I am maintaining a proper speed here. So in this one, what we can do is, this was given as 52 by tangent theorem. This is 90, this is 90. By remaining, this will be 120. The addition of all this four, angle A, angle D, angle B and angle C will give me 360. The addition of 90, 90 and 52 will go there and will get subtracted from 360 and I'll get the resulting answer as 128. In this one, which you are supposed to solve it, this are collinear, you can solve it by slope formula. In this particular sum, okay, I'll solve this up. We'll find slope of AB, then slope of BC, both are equal, then the answer is correct. Point A is 1, -3, point B is 2, -5, point C is -4, 7. Slope of line AB equals to x1 y1 x2 y2 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Y2 is -5 -3, x2 is 2 -1, -2 upon 1 -2. Okay. Then we move to the next one, slope of line BC, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 will be 7 minus upon x2 minus x1. So this goes like 12 by -6, 1s are 2s are -2. Therefore they are collinear, right Hardik?
Yes.
And the next one, in the fifth one, where sin theta, this time in 2 marks question they have given only 5 questions instead of 6. In algebra there were, I guess, 6 questions. Sin theta is 11 by 61. This is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. The adjacent side is going to be 60. By using Pythagoras theorem, cos theta will be adjacent upon hypotenuse, 60 upon 61. This is the answer. Okay, for that trigonometric identities you have to use sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, 11 upon 61 का square plus cos square theta 1, 121 minus 6121 नहीं 3721 plus cos square theta equals to 1. So this will cos square theta equals to 1 minus 121 minus 3721, rationalization से 3721 121 upon 3721, 3600 upon 3721, the square root of them is 60 upon 61. So if you have used this one hypotenuse and that will be wrong. Next we move to the activity form. Okay, everyone is saying hi. Shadow status. So I see this 2 coming down. They are added by componendo. Ax plus xb becomes ab by a8 as they are similar. Corresponding sides of similar triangle 5 upon 2. This becomes 22.5. This particular sum we were in a hunt from a very long while. In fact, it was taught in class being an example sum. So there are basically 2 Apollonius theorem that has been put out. 2 pt square, 2 rq square, pt square. Sorry, it's pt ps pt rt square, since rt and pt are equal, this will become pt square. So understand this, you have to write 2 pt bracket mein, and there will be whole square, and here it will be qs square. Many students are writing just qs, so that would be wrong, because in most of the sum they are just giving us square. So this was the only bracket in which they haven't given. So here we come to this part. Show that these points are vertex of a parallelogram. You have to find just the slope. If slope is equal, you can use slope formula or distance formula. P, Q, R and S. 1, minus 2, 5, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5. Slope of PQ equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 2 minus y1, x2 5, 4 upon 4 1. Equation 1. Slope of line QR, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, minus 4 upon minus 2, 2. Slope of line RS, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1, x2 minus 1, minus 3. So minus 4, 1. So I see 1 and 3 are equal, they are parallel. Since slope are equal, they are parallel. Slope of line PS, again y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 is minus 5, y1 plus 2, x2 is minus 1. So this will be, no, we have made some mistake here. Slope of PS, x1 y1 x2 y2, y2 minus y1 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Here it is okay, x1 QR, this is 3 or 2. Yes. there is a mistake that we have made here, because this is becoming my essay 3/2, and that's not right. So x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2, rs qr q and r, x1 y1 x2 y2 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 minus y1 x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 2 3/2 3/2 fourth one. Therefore comparing 1 and 3, 2 and 4, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Then this is tangent segment theorem. So this will be construction A, B, C and D. You are going to take two triangles here, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. AD is equal, common side BD equals to BD, radii this is 90, angle ABD equals to angle ACD, each 90. तो ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गया, therefore triangle ADB is congruent to कौन सा टेस्ट हार्दिक? Hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. Now we can write AB equals to AC, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. This will be corresponding sides of congruent triangle. We move to the next one now. So in this one they have asked me, okay, this was the question that was in our line from a long while. So actually show you the rough diagram. You have to take radius of 4 point, that's too small, 4.1 centimeter. Then from center O you drag this till 7.3 centimeter and you take it as point P, and then you draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is going to come inside, and taking this as radius you draw another circle which is going to be bigger than this circle which I have drawn, and then from this point you draw two tangents. This is how this sum has to be done. Then here the question number 4, they have asked me how many cylinders that can be made, number of cylinders that can be made equals to volume of sphere upon volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is 4/3, pi r cube upon volume of cylinder is, this 3 is a 4/3, pi r square h. Pi gets cancelled. 4 into, in case of sphere the radius is 30 cube upon 3 into, here the radius is 10 square into height 6. 4 into 30 into 30 into 30 upon 3 into 10 into 10 into 6. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 1s are, 15s are. 60 such spheres can be made, 60 such solid cylinders can be made. So in this one, which is one of a prime question, question number 4, first one, if DE equals to 4 centimeter and BC equals to 8 centimeter, area of triangle ADE is equals to 25 centimeter, find area of triangle ABC. So firstly what we have to do is we have to prove that two triangles are similar. So we take two triangle, in triangle ADE and yes and triangle ABC. you can put directly. No, you have to solve it. फिर वो रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल आएगा. You look at the activity में किया है. This is activity sum which is being asked directly to you guys. Angle A equal to angle A, common angle. हार्दिक वो टेक्स्ट बुक ले भाई. Then angle ADE equals to angle ABC, corresponding angle. Therefore triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by AA test. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC, activity sum, problem set, equals to DE square upon BC square. काइंड ऑफ सिमिलर है, देखो उसके जैसे.
एक्टिविटी मत
ये प्रॉब्लम सेट का ही है. अरे सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है बोल रहा है ना मैं भाई. सो दिस विल बी एरिया, इसका दिया है 25, इसका एरिया नहीं पता है. इसका रीज़न आएगा रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. यहाँ से लोगों का खेल ख़त्म होगा. दिस इज़ 4 स्क्वायर अपॉन दिस इज़ 8 स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट विल डू इज़ 25 के साथ 8 स्क्वायर को ले लेते हैं, 4 स्क्वायर को नीचे ले लेते हैं और ये आएगा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. तो 25 इंटू 8 स्क्वायर इज 64 और यहाँ पर ये आ जाएगा 16, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. 16 1 जा 4 जा 100. राइट है आपको तीनों को. 100 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. उसके बाद दिस वन दे हैव गिवन मी कि भाई जिसमें DE को लिया है 3 और इसको लिया है 5. So this would again go like area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC. ये हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूफ कर दिया, तो मैं इसको ऐसे ले लेता हूँ. और फिर इसका लेना है आपको DE upon BC. Therefore area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर आएगा, देख स्क्वायर आएगा. रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल, तो ये होगा 9 और 25, स्क्वायर ही आएगा. तो ADE और ABC 9/25 आया है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज इक्वल्स टू 9/25. रॉन्ग है तेरा? ठीक है, होता है ये सब. इसको मैं पहले इन्वर्ट एंडो मार दूंगा. ADE तो हो जाएगा 25/9. फिर इसमें कॉम्पोनेंटो मारूंगा. ABC में से आई विल रिमूव, या तो डायरेक्टली डिविडेंडो मार सकते हो स्ट्रेट अवे. 25 - 9/9. तो अगर ABC में से ADE निकलेगा तो आएगा एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल BDEC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE 16/9. अब मैं इसको वापस इन्वर्ट एंडो मारूंगा. आप लोग चाहो तो इन द इनिशियल स्टेप यू कैन डायरेक्टली पुट डिविडेंडो, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा 9/16. यही इसका आंसर है. नहीं, इट्स फाइन. अगर नहीं बोला है तो नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा. उसके बाद दिस सम वाज फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. ओके, यू आर सपोज टू ड्रॉ 2 डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल्स. इसमें सॉल्यूशन वाला पार्ट है ज़्यादा, ठीक है. सिंस PQR इज़ माई बिगर ट्रायंगल एंड ABC इज़ माई स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल. दिस सीम्स टू 3.6, BC इज़ 4 और ये है 4.2 और 2/3 दिया है आपको. एक एक को सॉल्व करके वैल्यू ढूंढना है, ठीक है. And the next one we have is this sum. This is an example sum. फर्स्ट टर्म के बारे में पूछा है. वेयर कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज 690.8. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज 1507.2 एंड 114.88. इट्स देयर इन द एग्जाम्पल सम. मैं ये सम और ये दो सम करने के लिए रुका हूँ. एक्चुअल में एक रेक्टेंगल है, ठीक है. द नेम ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज ए बी सी एंड डी. टेकिंग AD as the diameter, a semicircle has been drawn. यहाँ पड़ा एक x. They have said that AB is 12 और AD है 9. I have to find full BD. BD easy है. In triangle ABD, measure of angle A is equal to 90 degree. तो BD square is equals to AD square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. BD नहीं पता है हमको. 12 स्क्वायर प्लस 9 स्क्वायर 144 प्लस 81 225. BD इज इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर. अब ये पूरा BD आ गया है 15 बराबर. अब ये जो मेन है BX वो कैसे ढूंढना है. हियर DC इज द टेंजेंट एंड BXD इज द secant. तो ये आएगा DC स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू, अगर ये 12 है तो ये भी 12 होगा. DC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू DX इंटू BD. टेंजेंट secant थ्योरम. ये आ गया 12 स्क्वायर. ये DX हमको नहीं पता पर ये पता है 15. तो 144 अपॉन 15 इज इक्वल टू DX. आपको इसको कैंसिल करना है. DX इज इक्वल्स टू 144 115 9 जा 135 9.06 जा 9.6 सेंटीमीटर इसका आंसर होगा. कंपैरेटिवली इजी था बट ये टेंजेंट सेकेंड का कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आपको क्लिक होता है तो इट वुड वर्क फॉर यू. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अदर सम विच वॉज क्वाइट सिंपल आउट ऑफ देम. अगर किसी को रैशनलाइजेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से पता है तो ये होगा LHS, बट ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग था. प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. फाइनली SSC बोर्ड अब कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 30 साइन स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री. साइन 30 था हाफ का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन √3 अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर 1/4 प्लस 3/4. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है 4 अपॉन 4 1. देयरफॉर LHS इक्वल टू RHS. ये पहला 1 मार्क्स मिल गया आपको अगर आपने इतना किया तो. उसके बाद है 1 प्लस LHS 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा RHS 6 स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस tan 30 डिग्री का स्क्वायर. tan 30 है 1/√3 का स्क्वायर 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 4 अपॉन 3 4 अपॉन 3 8. और RHS sec 30 डिग्री का स्क्वायर. sec 30 होगा 2 अपॉन √3 का स्क्वायर तो 4 अपॉन 3. यहाँ पर भी LHS इक्वल टू RHS हो गया. वन प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा. थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री. LHS 1 प्लस कॉट 30 डिग्री का स्क्वायर कॉट 30 √3 पक्का √3 का स्क्वायर 1 प्लस 3 4. RHS कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा कोसेक 30 डिग्री सॉरी 2 का स्क्वायर 4. यहाँ पर भी हो गया LHS इक्वल टू RHS. ओवरऑल पेपर जो है वो वैसे सिंपल था, बट देर आर डिफ़िकल्टीज। जैसे ये दोनों में ये सिंपल था अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट पता है, ये तो इट वॉज बिट डिफ़िकल्ट। इसका फर्स्ट वाला ईजी था, बी डी वाला, बी एक्स वाला इशू करता था, इसमें फार्मूला बेस्ड था। दिस वन वॉज ईजियर, बट ये वाला थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था एंड इट वॉज लेंदी एट। ये सब में दिस वॉज लेंदी, दिस वॉज ईजियर, दिस वॉज लेंदी, दिस वॉज कंपेरेटिवली टेक्निकल बेस्ड। A long one. Paper was lengthy, but I would rate 8 out of 10. Paper और अच्छा हो सकता था. Difficulty wise, it was average. I expect good papers ahead. That is Science 1, Science 2, and Social. Bye everyone.